Good morning. We're at Lapush, Washington. We fished last night when we got out here and got a bunch of sea bass.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be Dad.
And today we're gonna go back out for sea bass, lingcod, maybe some surprise species. Anything could happen. It's the theme of the day. Anything could happen. They're all wilds is the deal. Someone dumped some wild kings right, probably out of their boat before they came to shore. Maybe saw WDFW and what a shame. Maybe we should peel those out and fillet them out, I don't know.
Just by the throat.
You have 2 GoPros?
Brody
No.
got one.
Let's just troll right here, right out of the
Yeah, this looks safe. Let's see what it is. You think it's a ling?
It's Rocky.
Yeah. You hooked him in the eye, dude.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Dinner.
Don't look down.
Yeah, that's dinner right here. Woohoo!
Marking more fish, too.
Yeah, I already got a fish.
Atta boy!
What are we marking there?
Oh no, I got him.
Yes!
Take your.
Good size.
I got him.
So I can bring him over?
Yeah, bring him aboard.
Oh, whoa. The
Perfect.
waves do kind of make it like kind of lumpy. Lion or seal? Way out
Yeah, I'm
there.
good.
Not an otter, it's a
Oh,
seal.
fish.
Yes!
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna grab the bucket so we can start bleeding these things. I'm gonna have to fish off the front of the boat. Pliers are on the seat in there. The seat?
Got 2. Bro,
Nice.
got 1.
All right, everybody reel in.
Look that way, Mom.
If I just look at the water, then I can't see the swell.
Yeah.
Hold on, Brody.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't sit down.
Try the biggie.
This is awesome.
This is the secret sauce.
Oh, yeah. That's a secret.
There you go. It's a ling. That's heavy. That's a ling. The way it's fighting too.
Oh my god, my arm is burning.
Yeah, do it, baby.
I got a bite. Fish on. Oh my god. Fish on. It's on.
There it is. Nice ling.
Good one?
Yeah. Not really.
Tiger.
It's a ling.
Yeah, that's keeper right
Yay!
It's a nice fish. But not a lot of meat. Should we throw it back?
What's it crawling all over it?
Probably sea lice.
there. We're gonna leave the flyers right there.
Sending them back?
Yeah. We can catch a bigger one.
I wanted to keep him.
I'm sorry. We'll catch another one. Go do it again.
That's what?
Do it again.
I need the other pole. This one just nearly broke my wrist.
No one's puked yet, so that's good, but I'm not making any promises.
Okay. Dang, this rock fought
Nice
so
job, baby.
hard.
Here you go.
Is that a decent size, or
Yeah.
should we throw that one back?
Whatever. I mean, we can catch bigger. You want to throw it in?
Sure.
We have a lot of limits though.
It's all right.
True.
We got lots.
Well, that's what you thought about the China ones, and we could.
Yeah, I'm not confident we can keep these. Think it.
Can I get a picture with it?
Sure.
Can I set this right here?
Yeah.
You need to fight on that. Oh, there must be two yellow eyes.
So we've been out here for about an hour and a half. And 2 rockfish. No, I'm just kidding. We got more than that. Is that all we got? Or they're all in the bucket?
There's a bunch in the bucket. Can I keep it?
It's so small.
Oh, but this is my favorite meat.
I know, but look at it. There's no meat on it.
Okay.
You good to let it go?
Yeah.
You need to try this pole.
Okay. Fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a monster. Get the gas. Oh baby. Yes. Yeah. 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 Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm coming. Yes. Duh!
Get the scale.
Greenling. Look at that.
Nice. Can you keep those?
I don't know.
One.
Well, I guess I'm just deckhanding today. Another cabezon or whatever those are.
This one's different.
Yeah, bring it in.
In yellow. We can keep that one.
I don't know if we can.
Yeah, the pliers are up here if we need them. Brody can get them.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
It was like peeling like crazy.
Good. Keep healing. Overhand. There you go.
Ah!
Good. You got it?
Oh my gosh.
Keep going.
Ugh.
Yep.
This is
Pull up and then reel down. Then reel down. Pull up. We'll tighten the drag. And reel down. Up. Are you on the bottom?
No, I'm not on
No,
bottom.
you're not. It's a ling. Yep. But always try and keep it tight. Reel.
Okay, Dad.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull up.
Oh.
Reel down. There you go. Up. There you go. You're gaining. It's a ling for sure.
My arms are tired.
Atta boy. There. Okay, I see it. Is it a blue? That's cool, man. Keep going, buddy. Nice ling, bud. Keep going. Bring it over here. Reel. I am.
Oh, Brody, that's huge.
Nice job, buddy.
Good job.
He fought hard.
What? You are? What about this? I just keep catching fish up here. All right, one more fish. Let's go in. I just caught another one. Yes, Brody. Oh yeah, it's a monster. Oh, it's a salmon.
No.
It's a. Grab the net. Grab the net. Grab the net. It's right here. Oh.
No.
That was a
I saw it.
That thing was huge.
Yes. Oh my God, that was unbelievable. Fish. King salmon.
How far down were you?
Bottom.
We're not even marking any fish.
just because you don't mark them don't mean they're not there.
Yeah, there's only fish over there.
That was so cool, Brody.
Oh, here's some fish coming up kind of on the top.
Okay. That's a fat one, you guys. Mama's ling. Right? Didn't you get one?
Yeah.
Okay, Dad's turn to catch fish.
Yeah. Good one. Oh, that's a real good one. This is a Lingcod. Oh, this is a good Lingcod. Lingcod. This is a Lingcod. Yep.
It's a monster!
Oh my gosh.
One hook.
There you go. Let's do this again. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Lingcod.
Fish on, baby. What'd you say?
What's Brody got on?
Oh, he's got one of the copper tubes. I think.
And a hoochie, yeah. Sparker and a hoochie.
Do it, Brody! That's a big ling if he's fighting it like that.
Goodness, hurry, hurry, hurry.
You're good. Bring it over here.
Look at that.
I'm gonna gap it. Bring it over. That's a good ling.
Ah.
Step back.
Hurry, catch it.
I got it. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah!
Nice, Brody!
Oh!
Yes. Nice fish, buddy.
Woo! Crazy! Oh my god! Bucket is fishing. I'm gonna get the
Look at it biting.
I'm gonna get the big bucket.
Same, buddy. We gotta weigh that. That's probably like 8 pounds.
Oh my gosh, I just caught an 8-pound fish.
Nice job, man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Brody's laying. It's about 9:30. I think we have about 10 fish in the boat, 3 really nice lings. Brody caught the biggest fish out here so far, which was awesome.
8-pound ling. Fish on! Fish on!
It's been a beat down out here. It has been a smoke.
I saw a big fish!
Brody! With another fish. He's out fishing us all, I think.
This is enormous. I'm just reeling. This is awesome.
Greenling.
This is
But we did deploy the Nonstop electric trolling motor, and it's actually anchored us up right here in the fishing spot, so that is sweet. We got a Lancer jig on here. These are made in the Northwest. And this is Lapush, Washington. I don't know if I've said that or not, but we're about 20 minutes from the boat launch. There's a fish, little nib. And once you fish in the ocean, trying to go back to the Puget Sound, once you go out here, there's just fish everywhere. Here, let me check it out. I think he might be on the bottom. Let me see.
no, I'm not on bottom.
Oh, here it is. Nice. Here, let me see this.
Heck yeah.
Let's see what that is.
Chaling. Or it's a cabezon.
It's a hard fighting fish right there.
We should get a picture of it though.
Sure. They're all skull, like.
Grab my phone.
And
Halibut.
Brody caught a salmon on a jig
Oh yeah.
in about 10 feet of water
A Lancer jig.
last night.
A green Lancer jig.
Hard to say. It's not zeroing it out.
What?
It won't get an accurate reading. It's too rough out here. Thanks for tuning in to Wild West Boys TV YouTube channel. We had a great time out here at Lapush. We got all packed up now. This is the boat that we fished out of. I just want to show everyone this, okay? Nonstop, the trolling motor on the bow of this thing, this is a game changer. We're able to spot lock this thing and anchor up in one place, great for bottom fishing. Surprise, no offshore bracket. Okay, we're out in the ocean in this thing, 20-foot aluminum boat, and this is July, end of July. End of July. let us know what you think. And we're gonna post some more videos and more adventures.
And if you like this video, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel.
But yeah, don't forget to check out the channel, like and subscribe. Wild West Boys TV. Now, cue the road trip home thing.
But I suppose I like life. I think life is absolutely beautiful. The survival bit really sort of kicks in. And I found I needed some sort of buoyancy.
Hey Siri, tell me a good joke.
When someone tells me to stop acting like a flamingo, that's when I put my foot down.
Anyways, really.
You can tell it's chips and salsa by the way that it is.
Did you record yourself peeing?
Of course.
I must say something that's very important.
What do you think?
I mean,
With the beans?
try it.
Oh.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, Baba.
So,
This line.
I think he said you're.
We're out cleaning the fish, and we wanted to weigh the ling the big ling that Brody caught.
yum, 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 yum.
Very sharp teeth. Very delicious. Hi. 0. Okay.
Massive, massive, massive rockfish.
5.1. Pretty good fish.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a little fish. Hey. Tony's.
Oh, so nice.
Butter. Let me see that, son. Fresh baked bread from the neighbors. That's how we do it around here. Little China rockfish. It's our favorite. Well, I was so tired we forgot to film how the fish turned out, but we just finished dinner and ate it, and I'm gonna leave you with this. After we're done fishing, we practice beating our chests like silverback gorillas. So, check this out. Get 'em. Your turn, go.